Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. Yeah, today we're playing some Phantom Forces. I'm a big noob at this game, so get ready to see me fail. My lord. Yeah, we won. Good job.
I'm doing a dance.
I do not want to play Roblox because I'm not that good at this game. But my brother wanted me to, so I just do it for now. You may hear some stuff in the background, but it's nothing really. Just my sister.
Trying.
Yes.
By her dad. I know people, I know.
Okay. No, Paxton, be quiet. You are so weird.
Me?
Just you. Who else am I talking to?
You.
Oh, jeez.
Why did I get fail?
Great. Great people. Great. Just a pro at this game, I guess. I'm just kidding. I am a real noob. I did not know that you could climb this. So I've been
Very cheeky.
I didn't know that you could climb it, so I've been very
Cheeky.
no. I don't know how you say it, but very slow at the game for a very long time. Where is everyone? Did he?
I won the blue team.
Nope, orange.
You have left.
They killed him right before I could shoot him. That's sad. Bruh.
He didn't even see my dude.
I'm pretty surprised that he didn't see me. I have 1 kill. Are you serious? You have to be kidding me. Where's that one guy that's on? Oof. Behind you, kid. Behind you! You got to be cutting me. Get down to the chopper. $95. Are you serious? Sorry, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Double kill. I saved your life, person. You should be thankful. There's one above us. Let's go. Oh Lord! Spotted. Bruh. Let's go. No one.
How many kills do you have?
I have 6. What? Are you serious?
Let's go.
This is the Glock. That's why it's so bad. The Glock is the, like, one of the worst guns I've ever had.
very, very bad.
I am one that refuses to die. I refuse to go down and lose to a person that has very bad gun. So I refuse to die anytime soon.
And you own the